And here, so quick video just to show you how Skool works, how to get the most from the platform, because I guess some of you are joining Skool for the first time and maybe you are not familiar with the way it works. Okay. So when you join Skool, most probably you saw this about page. It's the about page of the community, and you click here in the button. It's not settings you've seen. It's join. That's the way you join the community. Okay. Now in the community and on Skool, in a more general way, you have access to community here. If you use this here, you can search several different community you've joined. Here, these are the community I've joined, but also you can search using keywords here in this bar. Okay, you can search community here. Okay, and then if you click search, it will search for crypto community about crypto. Whatever, that's not the main topic here. Okay, so here you have the community tab here. Okay, this is where you have all the community posts, which means people posting stuff, myself as well. And when you have a post, if you click on the post, so first and foremost, you have 3 pinned posts. These are highlight posts that are always there. Personally, in the CCGG community, I rotate them, so I change them on a regular basis. So you have almost at least one new. Then, if you click on a given, if you read a post, you have the title of the post, who wrote the post, lines of the post. You can immediately like them. So I will like my own post, or you can comment clicking here. Okay, when you click on the post somewhere on the post, you have access to the post. Here it's the post with the text. Here the see more, so that you can have access to the full post, and then you can have media attached to the post. Here there is a video. If you click on the video, you can watch the video. And by the way, like you click here and see there is chapter here. If you go there, you can see there are chapter. If you want to go from one chapter to the other, you can use here. You can have here, if you click here in the CC, you have also titles that can help you follow the video. And of course, you can speed up the video, and then you can choose the quality and some other stuff. Move backward, forward, just sound. Okay, basic. Okay, and if you want to comment, yeah, you just click here. Of course, you can like once again. And if you want to comment, you click here and you write stuff. You can attach a file. You can put a link. Like here, I can put a link. You can use smiley, add a GIF, or you can use either YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, or Wistia link to attach a video. Okay? You can click comment and you will comment. Now I will cancel that. And that's basically where all the activity, the community activity happens. You have posts, so I advise you to check posts, read them, comment, like. When you comment, you will get like, and of course you can post yourself, okay? If you click here, write something, you can make a post. You find title, then you write stuff. You can once again attach file, put a link, like highlight this, put a link, attach a video, add a poll. If you want to ask questions, you can ask question, add options here, okay? Question Q1, Q2, Q3, blah, blah, blah. Add options if need be, and then you can click post. Before clicking post, okay, I will remove the poll. Yes, I confirm. You can also make it an action, but forget about that. You can add emojis, you can add GIF, and more, very important, you can select the category, okay? Because there are several categories in the community for the moment. There are 5 categories, okay? One, creator speaks, is the general one, when we share information about what we're interested in about, which is basically like making some money, growing some business, using custom GPTs to grow our business, get more customers, convert them better and at a higher rate, and retain them, ascend them, make more money, bring them value. Everybody's happy. Okay, so creators speak about general stuff. Friend shares, it's more relaxed. Yeah, like I like black metal music, so I could post about black metal music here if I want to share this passion of mine, this strange passion of mine with you. Okay, now wins and woe. Very important. This is where you can post about your wins, when you crafted a crazy GPT, when you get customers using a GPT, when you increase the value of your offer and make people pay you more money because you implemented GPTs in your offer, when you change your content game using AI automation and content custom GPTs to automate your content creation process. All that you can post in wins. When you launch a product, make some money, you can post in wins. And you can also post here the struggle you have. Okay, when you're failing, when you're struggling, when you have some issues, you can post there and you will get answer and support by the community. Win and woe. And here, request if you need specific help or if you want a specific automation, AI automation, or custom GPT for a specific business related topic, you can post here. You can select request here. And finally, testimonial. If you find value in the community, if you like what we're doing together, you can post your testimonial here. By the way, there is a GPT to help you craft the testimonials in the start here post, whatever. And then you just post when you finish. Okay. And so here we cancel. So that's basically how it works. Here you can see you have also the categories I just explained to you. If you click on more, you have all the category. If you click on less, you have less. Here you can also filter posts based on activity, like recent activity, newest post, best post this week, or filter using like selecting only the pinned one, only watching and read and no comments. Okay, the one with no comments. Another interesting detail here, you can see there is a notification here, live call with Darren. This is where the community events are displayed. The next one is displayed. So the next one is in 4 days. It's a live call with me. If you click on that, you have access to the calendar view, which is here. And now you can see the detail about the event. You can add this to your calendar, selecting Google, Apple, Outlook, Yahoo. You can also click on the link here. It's the Google Meet link in this case. And now you have the time zone, Paris time for myself because I'm in France, and the time of the meeting, okay? The event. And here is the calendar. So we were in the community here, okay? And I'm pretty much covered everything in the community. Oh, like few, like quick information about the community, not very useful for you. And here is the leaderboard, okay? Leaderboard are the best contributor the last 30 days here, okay? And you will see, I will show you later on, there are several leaderboards, okay? Like weekly, monthly, and all time, okay? Whatever. Okay, so we've covered the community aspects. Here, as you can see, you can have thumbnails of other community you belong to, small details. So now let's go back to the calendar. Here is the calendar. This is where you can see all the calls that are scheduled. It changed with time. So here are like the baseline calls, but there can be additional calls. There can be calls that are for everybody. There can be calls that are just for a specific group of people, like paid members or members having reached a certain level. And like it's usual calendar. So you can navigate here, change view, like here, I can change view and so on. Okay, you can see today views. Okay, what's happening today? Nothing, whatever. Okay, now calendar is really important. This is where all the live calls happens and are notified, so you should check them. Then classroom. Okay, classroom, most probably if you're starting, most of the modules are locked and you just have access to the start here module. Again, it's at the moment the community is free, so it's just a grind-based community, which means if you want to access the resources, you need to engage in the community and collect likes. I already did a video about this. You want to check the video, it's here. This video here, it's a pin post here to unlock resources in classroom. Do this now. I explain everything you should do to unlock resources in the classroom. Also, there is a must-read welcome post here that you should read. It will take you like 2 minutes maximum to read it, and will give you all the key information you need to start the community in a good way. Of course, if you have a bit more time, there is a very detailed video about what you should do, and like to leverage the community the best way and to get the most value from the community. Here, there is a link to the GPT. You can use the GPT to craft your introduction, because one of the key action here, take action, it's introduce yourself as a comment to this post, okay? And to make your life simpler, you have access to a GPT. You click here, you have access to a GPT that will ask you a few questions just so that it crafts your introduction for you. Very easy, okay? No, so let's go back to the classroom. Like I told you, it's a grind-based community for the moment, so you need to like engage in the community, collect likes to level up, okay? Detailed information in the video. And then you have access to one or several modules based on your level. If you go on the modules, you click on the modules, and here you can see you have several sections in the modules, okay? Like here, there is the read first, and here there is a must watch. So most of the time you have a video or a text. Here I put a chapter, but as a matter of fact, if you go on the video, Okay, you go on the video, you can see here on the timeline, you have the chapter. So you can navigate the video based on your interest, okay, if you don't have time to watch all the video. And then there is a summary of what's inside the video. Okay, I put here, note, watch the progress bar, there is chapters there, okay, so this is another course inside this module, how to unlock resources, and I give you all the details, what you should do, how you should engage in the community to unlock resources, level up, blah, 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 okay? If I take the GPT Express course mastery, for instance, interesting. Here you can see that, once again, it's the classroom. You have the first course, GPT Express Mastery in the classroom, like the title of the classroom, the title of the module, the first course in the module. Here there is a video, chapter there, explaining there is chapter here. Now you have a summarized version of the video, like the key action, key points of the video, like just some sort of cheat sheet. And then you have resources here. There are links to valuable resources related to the course, so definitely you should use them. And sometimes there is also a link to a post inside the community that is relevant to some aspect of the course here, okay? So here is the direct course inside the module. Here it's a folder. If you click here, the arrow, you have access to other courses inside the folder, workshops and examples here, okay? And once again, you click and you have access to the video and then the summary and then some resources. It's always the same. Just important to mention, I have a member who told me, yeah, I did the GPT Express Mastery course, but actually he just watched one video. He didn't notice that there were some other modules here. Okay, so if he didn't notice, that means it may not be obvious for some other folk here. So just explain, there are several courses inside of a very specific module. So you should browse them and like watch them if you want to complete it. Like in this example, if you want to learn how to craft crazy good GPTs for your business, this video gives you the frameworks and explanation of the frameworks, but if you want the full experience and the full value from the GPT Express Mastery for Creators course, you should definitely watch the workshop as well. There are several workshops here, and use the resources, study the resume, the summary, sorry. If you have FAQs, no, it's coming soon. There is no FAQ, but like consume what is available. It's not just one video. There are more stuff, okay? And of course, once you have watch the modules, you can click mark here as done, okay? Like click, it's green. You have the green stuff here. That show you've completed the stuff. And it's important as well because now I can see if you've made progress. And if I've seen you've crafted GPTX, you have assumed GPT Express Mastery, then I can give you additional insight or I can interact with you. I know that you've consumed the course, so I can ask you about, okay, what you thought, what kind of struggle you have, what kind of action you have taken, and so on, okay? So it's really important that you mark the course when it's done, okay? That's pretty much all with the classroom. So you can see several modules. They are unlocked at the beginning, except the Start Here module that you should watch. And then you can navigate the modules, and in one single module, there are several resources, several courses with videos, summaries, and resources you can access, okay? That's the classroom. Calendar, we already did it. Members is just like you can see all the members. Not sure what kind of access you have if you're not an admin. Here, there's Leaderboard. I covered the Leaderboard in the video about how to engage and how to unlock resources. Remember, it's there, unlock resources. So here in Leaderboard, just explaining again, like there is gamification in Skool. Each time you post a comment or you post something in the community and you get likes, you get points. Okay, here you can see points. Here I'm at level 6. If I want to level up to level 7, I need to collect 1,484 points, likes. That's a lot, but no problem. You can level up to level 3 very easily. Okay, you need 0 point. Okay, you're level 1. You collect 5 likes, you jump to level 2. You collect 20 additional likes, you jump to level 3. Really, if you're like kind of committed guy, in one day you can level up from level 1 to level 3. No problem. Really easy. Just commenting stuff. Just doing the basic stuff like presenting yourself, commenting the presentation of other members, commenting few posts inside the community. It takes like 30 minutes maximum, and you get the 20 points easily, and you unlock Creator, Skool Clarity module, and GPT Express Mastery module. Okay? And really collecting 65 likes to jump to level 4. It's pretty much easy as well. Okay? And here are the several levels. And you have also what is unlocked at each levels. Okay, so level 2, you unlock post to feed, creator of Skool Clarity, level 3, GPT Express Mastery, level 4, content overload GPT system, level 5, Skool Growth GPT Treasure Chest. And here are the leaderboards, 7 days, 30 days, all times. Okay? And I think it's pretty much it. Yeah, oh, okay. Here you have notification. So here you have notification by members. I mean, people notifying, you can have notification of all the groups. You can filter here, just this group, mark everything as read. And there are some ways you can set up notification. Well, maybe I won't enter in the detail. And here, these are the DM, okay? You can chat. Once again, you can filter all unread and you can chat. You can search for user in the search bar and you can chat with people here, okay? And when you chat with somebody, here you have the message and you will answer, and you can attach a file, you can send a GIF, you can send emojis, like pretty much easy to use, okay? That's the chats function. Oh, one important stuff in the search bar here, okay? At some points there will get too much posts and you won't spend the whole day reading the 85 posts. But if you are interested in specific stuff, you can just use the search bar here. Okay, custom GPT. Okay, let's see what kind. Here I have the post talking about custom GPTs. Okay, content. Okay, here I have posts relevant to content. Okay, easy. You should definitely use this to search, to look for interesting topics or information inside the community. Okay, and then here you can set up notification by man, not by mail. Okay, and for each group, okay, you can change the digest email frequency, notification email frequency, post like, etc., event reminders. You can set up everything. Okay, just going on settings, notifications. Same with chat. Okay, can get email notification when you got a message. And you can also set up who can message you on a community basis. Okay, and I blocked somebody here. Yeah, sorry for that. Here, communities as well. You can set up what kind of community you want to pin here. Okay, use here this stuff and pin. Manage your membership. I am an admin here, so yeah, manage admin. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. What else? Affiliates, no interest here. Payment method, payment history, theme. That's fancy stuff. Account, not password, notification. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. So now with this video, it was a bit long. Sorry, but now you have every single information, everything you need to fully use Skool. I just explained to you in less than 20 minutes. Okay. So for the ones who will watch the video entirely, now you are a pro in Skool. You know how to use Skool. Okay. Have a good one. Bye-bye.